Hey guys, it's Gabe from Detailing Growth, and we are here at the 7-Figure Agency Member Intensive. We're wrapping up Mastermind Day, so I'm gonna grab a few people, see if they can share what they thought and what their biggest takeaway was from the event while they've been here.
Lead comes in, we answer their questions, we book them on the sale, they get their car done, they leave happy, done.
We're gonna take 20 shops over the next year, and we're gonna scale them to doing $1 million in gross revenue out of their shops.
This is my 4th intensive, and it gets better every time.
Diving deeper into client communication and helping with the churn of our clients. Got a lot of great information from a lot of other great agencies. This has just been a really great experience.
If I want to have what the 1% have, I got to do the 1% work.
Build the wings on the plane down. We are getting ready to launch our AI receptionist booking bot.
7-Figure Agency Intensive today in the Mastermind group. I have to document myself a lot more when I troubleshoot difficult campaigns.
Being able to sit down with people and face-to-face have a conversation with them and say, this is the problem that I'm facing right now. How would you solve this problem? And having the ability to sit around a group of your peers, 8 to 10 people sitting around at a table, and everyone at that table is focused on you and your problem and helping you solve that problem for your agency. Hugely powerful.
One of the things that I really love about 7-Figure Agency and masterminds like this is you never know what's going to happen when you get in the room with really smart people. And I came here with ideas, what I was hoping to learn, learned that stuff, and a whole lot more.
The wild thing about this is that you can come in here with a multitude of questions that you're like, I can't figure out in my own brain, and the answers are all here.
Takeaway from the event, well, I got 31 of them, but my top one will be literally to implement a content strategy consistently going forward, which that's right up your alley, right, buddy?
This member intensive has been amazing. There's so many takeaways. I don't know which one to just summarize, but if I have to give one that really sticks with me is just the relationships that we've built over here.
Big takeaway for me, these events. I've been coming to them since 2016 with a couple different coaches. And if it wasn't for that, my agency would still be me and 30 grand a month.
There's always room for growth, and a lot of that starts personally. So focusing on the business is one thing, but you have to focus on yourself. As you grow yourself, you can grow the company.
If you're sitting on the fence, get off the fence, just join the 7-Figure Agency.